Hello, hi guys. This is CA Balakrishna from Lecturepedia.in. How are you? Hope you people are doing well. Even I am fantastic. So, in the recent times, you might be hearing this term corporate mitra. In most of the platforms, you might be hearing this term corporate mitra. In the recent budget announcement that has been made for financial year 2026-27, the discussion about this corporate mitra has been made by the finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman. She also told in her budget speech that institutes like ICAI, ICSI and also CMA institute, these institutes will be developing course for the corporate mitras. Yes, sir. We also heard that particular budget. A discussion with respect to corporate mitras was made in that budget. We also seen that budget. But what are these corporate mitras? How to become a corporate mitra? What will a corporate mitra do? And most important question: are these corporate mitras a direct competition to chartered accountancy profession? Will these corporate mitras reduce the scope of chartered accountants who are in practice? Will the work of these chartered accountants will be taken away by corporate mitras? All these things I'll be answering in this particular video. So stay tuned. First of all, we'll understand what is this corporate mitra. Basically, corporate mitra, it is nothing but a certification course. It is a certification course. Now, who can do this particular certification course? See, as per the information that is available, any individual who has qualified his 12th can do this certification course, corporate mitra. See, still the detailed guidelines have not yet been given. Soon the government will be issuing detailed guidelines with respect to this particular corporate mitra. But in as of now, the information available, any person who has qualified 12th can do this course, corporate mitra. Even chartered accountancy students who are pursuing chartered accountancy can do this course. Yes, of course you can do. Now, what will an individual learn if he pursues this corporate mitra course? See, basically if you observe, in the tier 2 cities and in the tier 3 cities, there is a lack of knowledgeable people with respect to accounting and with respect to finance and also with respect to taxation. So government wanted to tackle this particular problem because, see, these days the micro, small and medium enterprises, they are playing a very important role in development of Indian economy. Almost 70% of total jobs that are created in India are being created by MSMEs only. So not only in India, in any country you take, MSMEs plays a crucial role in development of that particular country. Now, mostly these MSMEs, they will be there in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Yes, in tier 1 cities also there will be MSMEs, but mostly tier 2 and tier 3 cities, so these MSMEs will be there. Now, for these MSMEs, in order to properly comply all the regulatory requirements like GST compliances, basic bookkeeping, basic bookkeeping, and tax filings. Yes, there are chartered accountants in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. There are enough number of chartered accountants that are available. But see, a chartered accountant, he will not do all these things by his hands, right? All the income tax returns, all the GST returns, a single chartered accountant cannot file it. There should be sufficient people under him, right? Yes, so this staff is lacking in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So the people who are having knowledge in the accounting, who are having knowledge in the taxation, these this resources is lacking in the country. So to tackle this problem, government has come up with this concept of corporate mitras. So if any individual wishes to take up this corporate mitra certification course, he will be able to learn all the accounting skills, all the basic accounting skills from the practical perspective point of view. all the accounting skills and basic skills that are required for tax filings, including both GST as well as income tax returns. So basic bookkeeping skills and basic taxation skills an individual can learn by using this certification course of corporate mitras. So once you have qualified this course, this certification course corporate mitra, it will be deemed that you are having sufficient knowledge to help MSMEs. So this is the purpose of this particular corporate mitra certification course. And still the detailed guidelines, they will be out soon. Still the curriculum for this corporate mitra, it has not yet been developed. It is under development. Our Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, it is developing the curriculum. Soon it will be out. Now coming to the question, sir, if these people, they learn these accounting skills, if they learn these taxation skills, will they set up their own offices, and will that be a threat to the chartered accountants work? See, being a chartered accountant, will you just depend on these bookkeeping services and these taxation services? No, right? You have to do beyond that. So these corporate mitras, they'll help the chartered accountants in reducing the work burden related to basic things like books maintenance, and also basic things like monthly GST related compliances. In fact, see, if you see this corporate mitras, it is benefit to the chartered accountants only. Why? Because if a particular chartered accountant, he has qualified and he wanted to set up his office in any type 2 or type 3 cities, so initially one year 2 years he himself will handle the work, but as the work increases, he himself cannot handle the work. So there should be certain knowledgeable people whom he has to employ, right? So he can employ these corporate mitras in his office. Understand? So you need not train them, because they're already trained. You can just hire them and they will do the work for you. So you can see that these corporate mitras are an added advantage to the chartered accountants if you use these corporate mitras in a correct manner. Understanding? So these corporate mitras, they are not a threat to the chartered accountancy profession. Don't feel that the scope of chartered accountants gets reduces because of these corporate mitras. No, your work becomes more easy because of corporate mitras. You have to see this in that particular manner. Understanding? Yes. So I guess you understood what is this corporate mitra. See, once the complete details related to certification course and all the guidelines are released by ICAI, I'll be making a separate video about that details. Okay. Yes. So I guess you got a brief idea of this corporate mitras, and I also hope that you people have come out of the thought that these corporate mitras will take away all the opportunities of chartered accountants. No, they won't take away your opportunities. In fact, they will help you people to build your career. Understanding? To build your clients. Okay. Yeah. So I'll be winding up this video as of now. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you.